Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Today I'll be working on the 2015 Toyota Venza. The owner has this key. You can see lock, unlock, and it can equally start the car. So that is the customer key. But I just have this key code. I'm meant to add this key, program remote, and as well as the mobilizer chip. You can see, and I put it on. You can notice that the mobilizer light is blinking. So first of all, since the remote and the key can be done separately, I first of all want to program the remote part of it. Later I will now program the key. So now we are going to program the remote for this remote part first. Program the remote part. So let's connect. It's connected to Toyota. Remote system. We're going to remote system tab 2. Let us try to read the number of remote. Correct number of remote is 2. Let us try to add a remote. Switch ignition on and open the driver's door. The driver's door is open now. Please complete the following operation within 30 seconds. You will hear the system beep after completing. Press and hold the lock and unlock button on the remote. Yeah, matching ends. So it has been programmed. Let's look at the number of remotes. Current number of remote is 3 remote. So now we are going to program the mobilizer part. First of all, let's see that the remote part is working. This is the key. We just added the remote now. Let me remove this. So lock, unlock. So now let's try and program the key to it. So let's type immobilizer system. Looking at this. So we'll start. And then keep programming. There must be a master. There's already a master in the system. Remove it. Return. That's the key that's already programmed into the system. I used to turn the ignition on. So it's communicating. Switch it off. Now remove key. Insert the new key within 10 seconds. I'll keep it in the off position. So we'll be waiting for the immobilizer light. Immobilizer light is still blinking. It's roughly going to take 60 seconds. So I'll just wait for a while. It's almost 60 seconds. I will show you the light if I can. You can see the immobilizer light blinking. Still blinking. It has stopped blinking, which means that the key has been programmed. So let's see what here. Oh, well, it has gone off. So, but what we'll do, let's turn the ignition off on and see if the security light will. You can see the security light did not blink, which means you should be able to start the car. This was the original key. This was the key I just added. You can lock. Driver side, all doors. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my Instagram, my Facebook, and my YouTube channel. So we'll test it once again. So you can start the car. Let's see. This is the one I just added. Now this is the old key. So you can see that's the lock. Unlock the driver's side. Unlock all doors. Let's try to start. Can start. Thank you for watching.